wen wartest du?
The boss called Lakewood. I have a wichtig appointment with my mortgage broker.
Voel je het bosses?
What is it?
Seriously? Mint Capital.
Well, nee. I mean, was this die doen?
Ich habe gesagt, eine ruhige Platz raus von daheim, wie sie. Du, still, ruhig Office.
Qu'est-ce que ça? I'll be 2 inches.
Hello, Mint Capital. I'm ready to mortgage. How can I help you today?
We're making it easy to get your loans closed, wherever you are and we are. Just visit themintcapital.com and click Meet with Mint, and you'll be connected with an agent as soon as possible.